Welcome to Nerdstalker. I am Adolfo Ferranda at Nerdstalker on Twitter, at Nerdstalker on Instagram, and all the places. This is a review of the GoDonut. Check it out. Hopefully you can see it here. It's this like silicone type of very sturdy, I can barely move this thing, device that holds iPhones and iPads. Or I should say phone and tablets, right? Sorry, that's lame of me. So, yeah, as you can see, the GoDonut, it's universal. Best angles for enjoying your tablet. Two simple grooves, hold your tablet firmly in place. It's a very simple thing, but it works extremely well. My mom loves this thing. She uses it all the time, and I didn't think anyone would use it, and we totally do. Like in the kitchen or on a table or wherever a flat surface is. You put that sucker in and you see the various angles, right? So there's a more upright angle and then there's a more tilted back angle. So, if you're up above like I am, looking down kind of thing, or down below, whatever, you got, two great angles. And then, it works great in portrait and landscape as well. Highly recommend it. Super burly, man. This thing is tough. About the size of your hand. Is invented by, I guess, two high school kids or something like that have been doing design, which is really neat. So go to GoDonut.com. Apparently you can purchase these at Walmart, although I don't have a price, sorry. I imagine it's not that much. It's a very simple type of thing. And a lot of these people are using it. As you can see here on the site here, there's lots of examples of various colors for these type of things. I believe they come in two type of versions. The original GoDonut, which is this guy that I was showing you here and that you're seeing on the screen. And something that you see is something called a swivel. So you see the swivel, probably the plastic thing on the bottom, which allows you to swivel. Or the original like this guy that just kind of sits there and works just fine, if you ask me. So check it out, GoDonut.com, or go to Walmart and buy one of these things. It's very cool, very sturdy, excellent device. Highly recommended. Nerdstalker thumbs up. Thanks, and check us out at nerdstalker.com, Nerdstalker TV on YouTube, at Nerdstalker on Twitter, and all the places. See you guys next time.